Are there times when you just don't want to be on camera, but you still want to post a video on social media? Well, how about you just type out your thoughts and post them? Welcome to day 26 of content repurposing tutorials, where I'm sharing with you time-saving content ideas for all of you busy creators out there. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a text typing video that you can post as a reel on Instagram. For this type of typing video, I'm going to suggest two apps, and that's either going to be the Notes app, or you can have the Pages app, and I'll show you how to do both of those. So we're just going to go into our Notes app, and you want to think of a phrase or something that you want to say. This is just for when you're feeling lazy, but you can literally just type what you're feeling. Type what you are feeling, right? So you have that. Other things that you can do is, if you don't want it all the way up here, so we have to be mindful of the framing, is we can just click down a little bit and type. But here is the trick for the screen recording. If you're on an iPhone or whatever your device you use, I'm going to swipe down and I'm going to press this record button. This is for my screen recording. If I hold it down, it can have the microphone on or off. I'm going to have it off for this time because I'll just use music, and I'm just going to press screen record. Now, how we know when we're recording is that this little box right here will turn red, and now we can type as needed. You can also customize like your font. So if you want it bold, so I'm going to press here, and we can make it a heading or a subheading or body, or what have you. So I'm just going to use a heading to make it nice and bold. So I'll press title, and it'll be bold, and it can be italic, and I'm just going to come right here and start my typing. So I'll press X right here, and then I'll come and just start my typing. I like all my mistakes. Shows people that I am not a robot. I am superhuman, and so I'm cool with it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press this button right here to stop my screen recording, and then we'll show you what the video looks like. So you head on over to your camera roll, wherever yours is. I know mine's is buried beneath, and we'll look at the latest video. And now we can press play. We can, I made a lot of modifications, so I'm just going to slide by to get right to this point right here. Press play. All right, and so you can see the typing video is here. One thing I want you to take notice of is that this is the entire screen, and as you can see, this little button here, my assistive touch, is still in the screen, but I don't mind. We can take this exact same video and go over to Instagram, customize it, and post it. So we'll go on over to Instagram. We're going to press the plus button. Then we're going to go to our recording and press next. Now what we're going to do is we are going to trim it down to where we start. And then when it is finished, we can also trim down some of the other stuff right here. And I'll put my correction in there. Other things I want you to take note of is that we can speed this up. So at the moment, this is about 25 seconds, and I would want it to be less. So there is a plus button right here, and we can speed it up 1 time, 3 times, 5 times. So I'm going to see what 4 times does. Other things that we can take notice of is that our screen is actually larger than our recording. So we can pinch to zoom to make that fit just a little bit better, to take off some of that top side. So I'm just pinching and just zooming in just a little bit so we can cut off all the edges that are missing, and we'll have the screen right here. I can make this a little bit bigger just so my keyboard looks decent. So play around with that and just make sure you can fit in all of your assets so it looks as natural as possible. Okay, like my assistive touch is still there, but it's all good. Other things that we can do is to add music. So I'm going to press the music button right here, and I'm going to search this time for some lo-fi. And let's give a listen to some of these. So I'm looking for a nice reflective one, so I'm going to use that first one right here. And then we're just going to press it. This is where you can change where the music starts if you need to. And I'm going to press done. And I always tell you all to make sure that you save a version of it, even though the music will not be with it. It gives you the nice framing so that you can repost this on other social platforms without having to modify it too much. You know that you can go right here to the sticker button to continue to add whatever else you want to make it nice and festive, or whatever you're doing with it. And then after we're done, we're going to press next. And this is where you can go ahead and add those captions, draft it, or go ahead and post it straight away. Another app I really like to be able to make this type of typing screen recording is going to be Pages. So we're clicking Pages here, and I just already typed down a couple. You can go ahead and make it bold, you can make it italic, you can underline it, you can change this position, you can click this little P button right here and continue to change your paragraph style. So I'll go ahead and choose title. And then you can have heading red, caption, all this great stuff. So I'm going to use caption, which is going to be all capitalized. And then I'll continue to press X here and then go ahead to start writing. I said what I said, right? But don't forget to actually screen record. So I would need to scroll down, press my screen recording, and continue to follow all of those steps to be able to import it over to Instagram. Creating good content does not have to be hard or difficult. As we learned today, we can use a screen recording of our thoughts and be able to post that as a reel or video on all of our social media platforms and still show up consistently. Comment below what your favorite way to create faceless content. Join me tomorrow for day 27 where I'll show you how to make a tutorial with a screen recording.